fork off, which is a great joy.
Yeah. But it didn't sound like Rory, it didn't sound like Phil and the other one agreed. It sounded like they just got told that's what was happening. Come on. Come on, big lip. Come on, little peanut. All you. Eat that bar, bro. Come on, Joe. You got it. Come on. Down and up. Up. Push it. Push it. Push. Push. Oh. Without the paw you had it. Without the paw. Without the paw you had it.
Little pop off the bottom.
Popped on the bottom. Good. Just stopped about 2 inches up. Where without the pause, you would have had that.
Ooh, well, 430 wouldn't have went.